Hello, welcome to the Trading Success Show, guys. Well, what I'll be talking about today is going to be large cap stocks. Stocks I will be watching for the week coming for the large stocks, because we have so many things going on in terms of trading activities. Tesla just released their numbers today, also the job numbers as well. So we have Tesla delivered 184,800 vehicles in Q1, the first quarter, blowing past estimates. Okay, so the consensus was 168. Even one other consensus was around 172. So pretty much Tesla blew past this consensus. With that being said, I like the fact that Biden is also coming up with what they call $2 billion on infrastructure bill. Okay, which is 2 billion or 2.3, sorry, 2.3 trillion dollars on the plan. Okay, but he wants to spend 2 billion on infrastructure. Okay, so with Tesla numbers being in the game, I think Tesla, my expectation for Tesla is a pop higher. We will push higher, and then we pull back, consolidate, and then push higher. That is my, let's look at the 1 hour. That will be my expectation for Tesla on Monday. Okay, we push higher, test new highs, get above 700, 750, and then we push back to retest the $700 of Tesla, and then we start pushing back higher again. That will be my expectation for Tesla on Monday. Now, looking at it on Finviz, okay, Tesla. The same thing I talked about on the previous video. We have the trend. Tesla is breaking the trend. We touched the 50 EMA. In technical terms, we rejected the 50 EMA. We couldn't break through and hold it. We rejected it and pulled back down to retest the 20 EMA. So my anticipation on Monday with the great job numbers, and also great numbers for Tesla, I'm expecting a break of the $700 area. I'm expecting a break out of this area to retest the 750 spot. Okay, so that will be it for Tesla. The next one is going to be AMC, because I'm coming up with 10 stocks. Okay, so for AMC, there've been quite a decent amount of sell-off as of late. So what with the level I'm eyeing on this is this level right here, $9. Okay, AMC must hold this level. That is what I said in my previous video, and I'm sticking by that. We need to hold this $9 area for a continuation higher. Okay, overall we are in the oversold territory, which is 46%. It could go lower, we don't know, but overall we're still holding that level. I am looking at the numbers coming in, because the last information I got was 625 million coronavirus vaccine doses have been administered worldwide, with America leading the way. With that being said, I think the theaters, the movie theaters, and everything, we still, what we get back into shape, and AMC actually announced, not that they announced, they will be seeking information from shareholders as per 500 million share sales. Let's look at it right here. It says AMC Entertainment Holding is seeking shareholder nod for the issuance of another 500 million shares in the future. Not right now, but in the future. However, in the future could be the next 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. They want to utilize the momentum in the name, in the stock. So in late in January, the company reportedly announced a capital raise of close to about 1 billion, comprised of equity and debt. So I think with this being said, that's the reason why the stock dropped from $10.50 down to $9.36 and counting. Overall, I want this stock AMC to hold 50 EMA. Nothing more, nothing less. I need this stock to hold that level. Next one is going to be ROKT. Okay, ROKT did pop the other day to 27.44. I'm expecting it to hold this 50 EMA. If we can hold this 50 EMA, we should be getting higher and higher. Okay, overall I like ROKT Rocket Company for a long-term hold. Next one is gonna be FUBU. Okay, FUBU is really interesting to know that we pull back to the 200 SMA or moving average. So overall I need this area to hold on FUBU. If this area can hold, we should be able to reclaim and test the resistance of $30. Overall, I am expecting a trend retest, which is also our resistance. So FUBU I like for the long-term hold. Next is Palantir, PLTR. So this one, we are breaking the trend to the upside. Okay, we just need to get above the resistance of 50 EMA and 20, and we should be good on Palantir. I like it overall for a push this coming week. The next one I will be looking is Plug, PLUG. The same thing with this downtrend need to break. If we can break the downtrend, which we're resisting here at the 20 EMA, we need to reclaim our 50. We reclaim that and hold above the 20, we should be able to get to 50 EMA easily, and then we should test the highs in the coming months. Next one is going to be MXIM. Okay, this one I do like because our resistance is just right here around the corner, which is $98. So $98 is going to be our resistance on this name if we can get above 95.50. 95.50 is the area we need to get above. Look at how we consolidated higher and then we broke out. Next on the list is going to be PUBM. PUBM is a recent IPO. So for this, trend is holding nicely. Okay, we just need to break out of this level of which we are doing right now. We are holding the 20 EMA. 20 EMA, whenever a stock holds the 20 EMA, it defines the trend. It is going and pushing higher. So keep an eye on this one. Overall target for me is going to be $75 on PUBM. The next one is going to be Tellry, TLRY. I am in this stock. I bought around the $15, I think. I can't remember, but I bought lower, and I started averaging until my average, I think, is about $20 or so. So For this stock itself, we are holding support. This area is the support. So we just need to break our immediate resistance of 20 and 50 EMA on Tellery. Overall, my price target on Tellery is $100 per share. If you cannot see that, it's going to be $100 per share on Tellery. Next, we have our bonus round, JAN. JAN, this one I do like because we're still boxed in this area. Okay, I'm expecting a push higher, break $10, and we should be able to go. Overall, I want to get back to this $30 area. Okay, that is for JAN. The volume coming in is good. RSI is okay. MACD is calling up. Fantastic. GLSI. I'm watching this too. I have my eye on this one. I have my eyes on this one. So look at this. We've been consolidating for so long. According to Cathy Wood, the longer the base, the bigger the move. Look at how we consolidated around here and then we push higher. So we're consolidating now. I'm expecting a push higher. Okay. I also made profit on this push here on GLSI. Okay, I sold the remaining one around the $34-$35 area. Next one is going to be BSM. BSM, we are breaking trend, so I just need us to maintain this level. We're breaking this trend right here. Okay, then the second trend is going to be right here, and then we break 925, we should be able to test 950 and then $10.25. Next is BSY. BSY is breaking trend. I love the way the chart is setting up. They have options, and then you go for options and call as well, or call options, or you can get the equity. Overall, I'm expecting the $50 area in this coming week on BSY. Next one is Interactive Brokers, IBRK. So for this, we need to reclaim the 20. When we reclaim it, or if we reclaim this 20, then our trend is bullish. We're bullish, and then we'll be able to test $80 per share on IBRK. Next one is AMD. AMD, we are trying to reclaim the 200 moving average right now. We broke above the 20. Now we're trying to reclaim this. With the issue with semiconductors and stuff like that, I want these stocks that has to deal with semiconductors and all that to keep pushing and pushing and pushing higher. Okay, that is what I want on this. Overall, we are trying to reclaim, or we just broke out the 200 EMA, and we broke out of the trend. Okay, so keep an eye on it as well. As far as NVDA is concerned, we are actually trying to break our resistance right here. This is our resistance on NVDA. So we're breaking this area. It'll be a little bit choppy, but we're going to break out of this spot. Overall, I'm expecting profit target wise $630 on NVIDIA in the long run. This is going to be like a swing trade, not for the short term. Next and a final one is Apple. Apple is breaking the trend as well on the daily. Apple is breaking the trend, and right now we are just working our way off the 20, and then we need to reclaim the 50 moving average, which is 125 area. So if we can break out 125 and hold that area on Apple, we should be able to test the 129 $130 area. Okay, overall I do like Apple for a long-term trade, so keep an eye on Apple. That will be it, guys. I appreciate you guys listening in, and I will just say thanks for tuning in. Okay, have you a fantastic weekend, guys. Bye bye.